record it. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I don't know who else is coming or not. I guess if they got questions, they got questions. But basically, are you guys familiar with the main, window at the beginning? Basically, over here is just kind of shortcut, just like any Adobe product. Things that you can do. It shows you here all kinds of web files that you can create, HTML being the most common one. And the rest ones are more of the development kind of thing. So for designers, HTML has always been the friendliest on Dreamweaver. Also, it lets you, from here on Dreamweaver's site, you can always start setting up your site. And that's because when you create a website, really what you're doing is you're piecing together a lot of files, from images to just a headline to a snippet of some information here, stuff like that. So it lets you integrate in here the entire thing. You're going to tell it, okay, everything that is in this folder, it's my site. So everything's going to be connected. And we can go through those steps quickly. Over here, the top features, many of those are more for making it easier. Like I said, more designer-friendly, really. Dreamweaver CS4 is kind of getting away from the developer's part and is becoming more of a web designer. They even removed a lot of files, kind of ASP type thing. So web developers really are not liking that, but there's other programs that handle it better than Dreamweaver. So related files, for instance, we'll see. It'll show you another navigation where you can just click on those related files I was talking about, your Dreamweaver site. Pretty simple. Live view, I don't know if somebody remembers, but you used to have to make an, change in here, save it, and then go to a browser to be able to see your changes. Well, now you can see all those changes in a live view within. So that's pretty cool. Code Navigator is also pretty cool. Basically, what you're doing is, and I guess I can go through better inside, but anyways, it lets you find that code that you want to modify quicker. I'm just not going to go over all of those. Alright, so what we're going to do is, we're going to go quickly over the interface. So let's create an HTML. And over here, I know it sometimes could look a little bit overwhelming, but really Dreamweaver knows that, as all the other Adobe projects, that every single person remembers differently how to navigate. Fun. Okay. Well, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, there's different ways to navigate through your menu bar, and then all the icons here may repeat somewhere else on a panel, etc., etc. So really, again, you can customize it with the things that you use the most. So here, the first little icon on the top, if you click on it, that's precisely for one of the options to see what is going to fit you better. You can just look at the code that you're going to be working. So it'll show you just text. Really, for designers, this is not fun. But if you start getting familiar with HTML, it may turn out that it's easier to go in here quickly and find that word that you know and just substitute it. A split code is probably the best thing about Dreamweaver because, I'm sorry, not split code, it's split view. A split code, let's skip it, that's for developers. Design view is, you just see what you're doing, it's your canvas. Code and design, that's a split view I was talking about, and probably you guys have seen this before. It's pretty cool because it lets you do anything. And everything that you do, you start noticing, it starts also creating the same actions but on the code. So that's basically the best way how you can learn your HTML code. You are going from a normal design tool and then being able to visualize at the same time what is it, the translation in HTML. And we'll go over good examples in a minute. Like I said, this is one option. Again, you have the exact same options right here, code, split, and design, so a different way to navigate. Extension Manager is a new thing in Dreamweaver. It's pretty cool. It's basically what we're starting to get used to seeing everywhere, that you have one centralized system